Hey, Elijah.
What do you want?
I got something to sell you.
Yeah, I really haven't got the time.
Okay. Probably too much for you anyway.
What do you mean, too much? Too much for a lot of croon? What you got? No, not so bloody obvious. Hey. Wait a minute, Mr. Cork. This doesn't work.
Well, of course not. You don't expect me to walk around with the real goods, do you?
What do you want?
Is that boy on your boat?
No, what boy? I don't know nothing about no boy.
Give me 2 minutes alone with him.
Nuh-uh. I want to help.
I can't. You can't do this to me. Bon sens, I appeal to you as a fellow mate from Devil's Island.
Devil's Island?
Do with him what you will.
No!